Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lena. I'm a first year third grade teacher in Arizona. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. I know this isn't my normal setup. It's because I realized I didn't have an intro, so here we are. But I'm super excited for you guys to see this video because I worked so hard on it and it just turned out so cute. So if you guys want to see how I turned a ugly table into a beautiful table, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, I'm in my garage. This is what the table looks like. So it is just super cute. I have a fan going. One of them doesn't work because it is 91 outside and it's not even 9:30. So I apologize if I look like crap. I am not about to get ready and then sweat it all off. So my plan today is to use these. My mom got these. So she said to use the 80 and then after that's done, use either the 120 or the 220 to smooth it out. So this is the electric thing that we have. Yeah. So I'm just going to set up my camera and just gonna get started. I'm already sweating, so I want to try and get this done. So yeah. Okay, so we're just going to open these if I can. Okay. So yeah, it comes with a bunch. It says it on the back. So this says, I don't know if you can see it, but it says 220, 120, 120, 80, 80. Okay, so I'm gonna use these 80s right here. Alright guys, I legit look like, but this is what I have. So I have to get all this black off of here, and so I tried to do it with the electric one, which is right there, but it didn't do like an amazing job. As you can tell, like it's awkward to do it on the rounded legs. But this is like the best I can do. I don't know if you guys can see this black line right there. Like I just cannot get to it, which is weird because I should be able to, but it's just gonna be so difficult to get it, the edges. See, it's just like not coming off. I don't know, so I'm just gonna continue doing this. We've already been doing it for an hour. So I will update you guys soon. Ugh, my goodness. All right guys, I'm back. It is 12:32. My fingers, they just feel so weird because I've been using this electric sander. And you know when you're on the treadmill for a while and you get off and your legs just feel weird? Yeah, that's kind of what my hands feel like. But this is what I have so far. It's freaking crazy how I was able to get all the paint off, but the legs are just the hardest part to do. Let's see what this side looks like. Yeah, they're just really difficult to do, but I'm thinking that it will be okay. At least the top and the sides are good. So yeah, I can't believe this is all like tan now. But yeah, that took me so long. My hands, I can't. Ugh. I'm gonna eat some lunch and cool off for a bit because I'm dying out here. But yeah. Okay, so I'm back from lunch and I have my nail drill. So I called my mom and she said, it's so funny because she's up at our cabin and she's sanding too. And she said that she used her nail drill and it worked. So I put a new head on it and we're gonna see how this works, so stay tuned. Hi guys, so I'm just plugging in my drill and I'm just so hot. I knew I was gonna have to do this and I thought doing it now rather than later because it's just gonna get more hot in the summer. and it's freaking hot, but let's go. So I'm just gonna turn it on. My mom said not to do it super high, like that's how high you can do it on your nails, but she said not to do it super high, so okay. Okay, you guys, so I tried the drill and it literally took me so long just to do that, and like I know that there's a difference, kinda, yeah, but this is just gonna take me so long to do, and I'm just debating what I want it to look like would it look cute if I just paint over the black? And then my mom's like, it might look like scuff marks, and I don't want it to look like scuff marks, but we'll see. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna be done for the day. It is 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I've been doing this, I feel like, since 9. I think it was 9 o'clock. So this is what I have. I shot backed it, so I like cleaned it up. We don't have any painter's tape, so I'm just gonna tape it up tomorrow, but this top part is gonna be a dark wood, not as quite, maybe that dark, or a little bit lighter, and then this bottom part's gonna be white, and I'm really hoping that like the black showing through will be okay. I don't know. So I'm gonna go jump in the pool because I am dead. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Okay, I don't know if you guys can hear me because the gardeners are right there, but this is what we have. We have coffee gel stain, some tape, and some spray paint. So we're just gonna get started. Okay, again for the gardeners, I apologize, but I went ahead and I taped the edges because this right here is gonna be like, if you flip it over, no one's gonna see this part. So I think that's gonna be okay, but it covers the sides because the sides right here are gonna be stained. So this is what it looks like, and I'm just going to use spray paint to do it. Okay, you guys, the first coat is done. Oh my gosh, I'm getting paint all over this camera. I thought I washed my hands. But so this is the first coat. So I'm gonna let it dry for an hour or two. But I think it's gonna look so good. I'm so excited. Okay guys, it's windy, so I'm sorry if you can hear the wind, but it's dry, so let's do round 2. Here and go spray paint it. Looks so cute. And yeah, this is not coming off. So we're gonna try acetone. Hi guys. Okay, so it is the next day. I apologize for my shirt, it's wet. I just washed my face. But basically we took a day for the stain to dry and then another day for the top coat to dry before I kind of touched it. And so this is what it looks like. It is so freaking beautiful. I am obsessed. This is exactly what I envisioned it would look like. So I'm just obsessed. And then right here, there must have been a drawer, but when my brother got it, there just wasn't. And so this is just gonna face my bookcase. And so you don't see it, but this is the stain. It is so pretty. It's coffee, that's what it was called. But yeah, it is just so beautiful. I am obsessed. Alright guys, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This DIY project was so fun. It is exactly what I envisioned the table to look like, and so I'm just so happy with it. I can't wait for it to get into my classroom. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!